Welcome to the June edition of Loxone Flash. Loxone Config is the heart of every installation, and with version 16, a brand new era begins. More modern, streamlined, and efficient than ever. Let's hear from Lucas from our software development team to find out what's new.
Thanks. With Config 16, we have reworked a lot from the ground up. A fresh, modern design gives you more space and clarity, especially handy for smaller laptop screens on site. The new Getting Started wizard makes it easier than ever for newcomers to get up and running with Loxone. Projects now load automatically from the mini server. No more manual loading from the mini server, you can directly start off. Additionally, we start the live view right away, so you can test and simulate instantly. In energy management, the spot price optimizer now includes a minimum runtime, perfect for dynamic electricity tariffs. Integration with Fronius devices is also a lot easier than ever. For AC systems, we have also made improvements. Since installation conditions often lead to inaccurate temperature readings, the AC Control Air now uses the temperature measured by the mini server to control the air conditioning for a much more precise climate regulation. And in Exosphere, there are powerful new features. Reports can be sent to external systems via a webhook, and dashboards can be selectively shared or embedded into a website.
Same power, half the space. The new power supply delivers 4.2 amps in just 2 division units, taking up only half the space compared to our previous model or similar units on the market. Let's switch over to our live stream studio, where our energy expert Andreas has all the details.
Thanks! This is the new power supply with 4.2 amps. And it has a lot to offer. With its compact design, the same size as an extension, it delivers the same performance as the previous power supply, but with only half the space required. It mounts easily on a DIN rail and takes up 2 division units, perfectly when space in the control cabinet is tight. Thanks to its built-in overload and short-circuit protection, it ensures a safe power supply. The output voltage can also be fine-tuned between 22.5 and 27 volts if needed. That makes the Loxone power supply the perfect choice for smaller panels or sub-distribution boards, and the ideal power supply for any 24-volt system. For larger projects or entire buildings, we still recommend our power supply and backup, which provides more power, 7 individually fused outputs, and integrated battery backup depending on your needs.
To anyone looking to become a Loxone partner, or who is not a Loxone partner yet, have you heard about our summer promotion? Moritz, can you tell us more about it?
Schnell zuschlagen bei unserer
Take advantage of our current summer promotion. Our welcome package is 47% discounted. It includes our demo case, a Smart Times, a Loxone shirt, and a training to become a certified Loxone Silver partner.
The current heatwave in the UK has made headlines in the New York Times and beyond. With temperatures soaring, everyone's looking for ways to stay cool. But here's the thing, with Loxone you don't need to rely on open windows and guesswork. Here's Jacob with a smarter way to beat the heat.
While the UK press is full of tips like opening your loft hatch or closing curtains, Property Wire and the Daily Record both pointed to something smarter. Loxone. At Energy House 2.0, our system is being tested for exactly this, keeping homes cool during extreme temperatures. When it's heating up outside, Loxone automatically closes blinds, limits internal heat sources, and activates ventilation to prevent overheating before it starts. And the best part, it all happens automatically without you needing to remember or do it manually. And as the New York Times put it, the UK isn't built for heat waves, but with Loxone, your building is.
Now let's head over to the Czech Republic for a look at a smart office project that shows just how much is possible with Loxone automation. David from our Czech office has all the details.
We visited the new office building near České Budějovice. Fixed is a popular and fast-growing Czech brand of mobile accessories. The company's management chose Loxone for different reasons, including its smart access solution. For example, they appreciate how easy it is to replace access key fobs if one gets lost, and the electric locks have a backup during power outages, thanks to power supply and backup. Loxone also efficiently controls 15 LG air conditioning units, as well as the lighting, shading, indoor climate, charging of electric cars using Loxone wallboxes, and much more. The fixed offices are a perfect example of how to automate commercial buildings using modern technology.
Summertime is definitely campus season. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to unwind, the hotel at the Loxone campus offers the best of both worlds. Book a stay of at least 4 nights between July 2nd and September 3rd, 2025, and get 30% off with the code ALEXSUMMER25. So go ahead, reserve your room, stop by, and enjoy the perfect mix of innovation and relaxation. That's it for this month. Don't forget to take advantage of our summer promo and maybe even stop by at the campus for a little inspiration and relaxation. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Loxone Flash.